Alright, you've completed Module 1. Now let's move from understanding to actually doing. You now know what research is, what it's not, and how it works. You can start with simple topics like social media, online learning, or even sleep habits. The research question will look something like this: clear, focused, and easy to explore. These topics work because they're relatable, easy to collect data on, and can grow into serious research. Now here's your first challenge. In the next 24 hours, write one research idea and turn it into a question. And what could the answer look like? It might look like this: simple observations, possible patterns, early thinking. From here, your research journey becomes step by step. First, choosing a focused topic. For example, research design. Then, understanding what's already known. Then, planning how you'll answer your question. Remember, you don't need to do everything at once. You will learn each step, one at a time. If you're wondering what topic to choose, how to collect data, or where to publish, questions you should be asking before you start: what topic should I choose? How do I find research papers? How do I collect data? How do I write a paper? Where do I publish? Then it's time to take the next step. Explore ResearchRamp and start your first research project. Explore ResearchRamp. Click on the link to explore more.